Here we are at Shelby, Humane. This is Betty White in the front and Sergeant Sniffles in the back. And they are both 5-year-old American Bulldogs, 67 pounds, 65 pounds, something like that. Spayed and neutered. Go great together. Very gentle, friendly. Love belly rubs, love attention. They love attention much more than treats, and they take treats gently. They're just two happy babies, and they would love to go to a home together, but they can also go separately. Sergeant Sniffles and Miss Betty White, they are wonderful. Look at those smiley babies.